Probably the most common complaint iOS users are having is that apps are always paid in the App Store. They can't get it for free or at a reasonable price. So are you curious on finding out how you can get paid apps for free? Let's dive in. So in my previous video I showed you guys how you can get paid apps for free on a non-jailbroken device. So this video is primarily for you users who I assume are jailbroken. So if you are already not jailbroken, I'll be posting a link to my previous video which describes how you can actually jailbreak your device. I'll be linking this up in this video. And now that you are jailbroken, let's get into the video. So this is my setup, and this is how the application would look like on your phone. This is the provision. To get that, we need to get into Sideload or your package manager and install this repo. I'll be linking this down in the description of this video. Kindly check that out. And in you go, you'll find this. Click on install and it will be installed on your device. On opening that, you will find the applications that you signed on your device. I have one paid application here, Filmic Pro, and let's see how we can install another application. So I have already downloaded an application, an IPA file. It is Chimera, and I'm opening that right now. You can use any other applications to open this. As of now, you can open this in reprovision, and it will be transferred to reprovision. You can click on install. It will take about 2 minutes tops, and it will get installed on your device. So this was a quick and easy tutorial how you can actually get paid apps for free on your jailbroken device. So if you have any doubts or need any more clarification, please do let me know in the comment box down below, and like, subscribe and share this video for more amazing tech videos in future. Bye.